Marco Colbert, Speedo Coat Refinish Network. All right, guys, so we got this really tricky orange metallic on this Dodge, which I know is going to be a very hassle to blend out, but we're going to show you how to do that today and get it perfect. So first we're going to start, we're going to just dust our base over our primer areas and be very careful not to get your base near your panel edges because we're blending within the panel. So you have to be really, really careful when you do that. This paint is actually covering a lot better than what I thought, a lot faster. Here it is fully covered, looks decent, right? Looks decent, but you got to blend it out. And you never want to use reducer to blend out your paint. And here's why. So we have the color blender. So automotive paint is derived with three key ingredients, and that is, your pigment, which is your color, your binder, which is basically your glue. It makes the paint actually stick to the panel. You have your solvent, so it's thin enough to spray out of a gun. Now, when you over-reduce your base coat to try and do that blend trick, which a lot of painters do, you're actually stripping away the binding, material in the product. You never want to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the Speedo Coat color blender. You're going to open your cup up, okay? You're going to have a little bit of paint left over from when you're doing your base coat. You're going to have a little bit left over. Go ahead, pull your color blender straight in the cup. Throw it about 2-3 ounces in there. Splash about 2-3 ounces of reducer in there as well to actually thin out the color blender so you can spray it out of a gun. And we're going to fan out our color even further. Now this is just a transparent layer that only has a very, very little bit of color left, just to kind of create a nice transition between that full concentration of base coat and the rest of the panel. And then we're moving on to our clear coat now. We got the Fast Dry Euroclear, guys. This stuff is very, very high gloss. It's a little bit harder to work with over your, your lower solids clears. The first coat goes on a little bit orange peely. You guys can see there's a little bit of texture of it going down. That's normal. Leave it alone. Don't keep piling the clear coat on the panel. You will get runs. Do that first coat. Get a full seal on your clear coat, okay? Doesn't matter how it looks. Obviously you don't want it to look super dry. You want it to have a slight gloss, as you guys can see in that image. Have a slight gloss, full seal, and then come behind it and do a second coat that's slightly wetter than the first coat. This paint will flow out. It will look beautiful. Just be patient. Trust the process. Put on nice, even, smooth coats, and just trust the process and let it do its thing. Now the last step to this repair is just buzzing a little bit of Speedo Coat blend over that bumper where we blended it, and that's it. I get professional quality results every time I use these products without skipping a beat. If you guys are looking for the best, most affordable auto body products in the world, head on over to www.speedocoat.com. They have everything you guys need start to finish to get your projects done. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.